Okay. Yeah. What can I say? Did the bot function well or did the bot not function well? Hello and welcome to, or welcome back to, the channel of the Nasdaq scalping bot. In this channel, I show you guys a Python program, my first Python program, that's meant to do some automated trading on the Nasdaq with the goal to get some passive income during the day and the night. And in a daily report, I tell you guys how the bot is doing, what I changed in the code, if there are changes in the code, and how the market is doing. And if you want to know how we did today, just stay. Well, let's take a look at the bot first. And if we look at the bot, we see we have a green bot. Yes, finally, after 2 days of white, and you see we have 1381 candles after 2 days of slow market and only seeing a white bot doing absolutely nothing, we actually have a green bot, as in we have done something. I wasn't home, so I could not really see what's going on the market and how the bot reacted, and if the bot did react in the right way, because it's Friday, and then in Friday afternoon and Friday evening I'm not at home, I'm with friends, and because we had 2 slow days, I did not expect that there would be a more action day on the Friday. Well, so the bot did some action. Now let's take a look at the code, not specific the code, but the screen below the code, and we see we have a lot of numbers, and I'm looking for if there are, because, well, most of the time today was slow. You see there were better action than yesterday, 0.9, 0.69, 94. So we're nearing the 1% average change. And this is what happened, that the average change was higher than 0.9. But the change itself was only 9.2. There's a 9.3 versus 9.2 change. Okay, we will see. We'll look at it, and I will go down. Then I see a normal buy, and we had a change of 156, 1.5% change, and the one before was good too. Okay, a lot of percentage. So really later on the evening, because this is market close, so during the afternoon we had some numbers. I see with a normal buy, with a calculated stop loss, this is a 36. That's again, yeah, 36, 14, 55, etc. But a stop loss of 36, a trailing stop loss we're talking about, has been done. And then we went back to a slower market with a higher average, and the market closed. So we had some buys in the late afternoon, early evening. And I don't know if they were successful or not. If I look at the bot, we see that the bot has a negative balance of 677. not that bad. I was hoping that, of course, it should be more positive. So we will see how this was happening. So let's take a look at the market and what happened on the market. And if we look at the market, we see that around, well, opening market, my time opening market is 15:30, 3:30 is opening market at my time. It went up and then it went along sideways a couple of hours. Yes, it went sideways, and then late in the evening, yeah, 7:15, it went down again, and now we're up. Or not we're up, but we are sideways. So the most actions happened between, let me say, 7 and almost 9, 2 hours. Okay, let's see how we did in the reports. And in the reports, we see we had one at 2 a.m. last night for 19 cents. Okay, a loss of 19 cents. Then at 5:15, we had a profit of 7. And then 2 losses again with one of almost 7. That explains why we did not make a balance out. Okay. Yeah. What can I say? Did the bot function well, or did the bot not function well? I'm not sure. You can say because we had a loss at the total of today, we had a loss, that the bot did not function well. You can see in the positions that we had a loss position. But looking at the market, let me see if this is a buy. The last one was a buy. So when was, no, I cannot see when this buy was. No, the last one was a buy. That should be one of the, maybe one of these, going up and then going down and then sideways. I'm not sure. I'm really not sure. Let's see how we do Monday. I'm hesitant to make a change and to do some fine-tuning on the market, as in when a position should be opened and when not. I'm happy with the fact that the slow market, normal market, and highly volatile market reacts as in a slow market and a normal market, because we see that in the screen of the coding. And I'm not sure if I should do 0.9 into 1, as in the minimum should be a 1. And then we had, because this was a 9 and the change was 156, and then reacted with a normal buy. But the buy is not depending only on active market or not active market. It's also needed to be 3 candles going up, in this case buy, 3 candles going up, and the MACD should be in the right direction to do a buy. So I don't want to do anything in the code right away. I don't want to make some changes as in fine-tuning right now. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know. I will make a message in Discord asking you guys what you think about it, and if I should change or should not change anything in the margins, in the thresholds of the code. Which means that we are at the end of the week, and that we are at the end of this video almost. Let's go back to the market. And how did we do this week? Not well. We know we did not do well. Reports. We ending this week with 606. And we started this week because there was not that much going on. We started this week with, when was it? 16? Yeah, we started with 651. So a loss of 40? Yeah, about 40. And earlier this week, we had some, yeah, that was, yeah. I'm not sure. Let me know what you think about it. Should I change something in the code or shouldn't I fine tune? Let me know in the comments or give a reaction back on the Discord server to let me know how you feel about it. And that was it for today and also for this week. If you liked the video, press like and subscribe. That would be nice. If you want to see the bot in live action, you can see this on Twitch. There is a Twitch channel specially for this bot, and you can meet me at Discord. And all I have to say for today is have a little fun every day. Have a good weekend.